so tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a baby spinach peach banana smoothie. Okay, baby spinach peach banana smoothie. Okay, but before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Okay guys, thank you so much. So I'm gonna put a little bit of green in this, which is the spinach for this smoothie, for those of you who like greens. So I'm gonna get started. Alright, so I have here in this bowl some frozen peach, spinach, apple, that's American apple at the bottom. I have a banana and I have a yogurt that I will be using, and I'm using this one, and I have some almond milk that I will be using also. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. So guys, you can hear it from my throat, it's not so 100 because it's flu season. I'm trying to fight something, but yeah, so I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender with the spinach. Okay, I'm gonna add the banana. Okay. Yogurt. I'm gonna add the milk, so roughly a cup of milk. I'm gonna cover. Actually, I might add a little bit more because the peach is frozen. Cover and blend. No ice because it's very, very cold. And there I have it guys, all done. My smoothie is ready and I'm gonna blast it now. Look at that green color, all because of the spinach. Yeah, the green color makes it looks this way. Spinach make it have this color. I'll taste it for you. It's good, it's not sweet. Yeah, and it don't taste like green juice, it tastes like natural smoothie. Yeah, so it's delicious. Go ahead and try this smoothie guys, you will love it. Okay, all right, it consists of peach, spinach, apple, yogurt and milk. So go ahead and try it, you will love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for liking, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.